How to get a Canva Pro theme invite link. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily get a Canva Pro theme invite link that you can share with your friends. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, head over to Canva. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're in, head over to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Now hover over Help and Resources. And from the menu, click on Refer Friends. Here you'll see Canva's referral page. Basically, when you invite a friend using your custom link and they sign up and start designing, you both get access to some premium content like photos, icons, and illustrations. To grab your referral link, just click on the Copy button. Then you can share that link with your friends on social media, through email, or wherever you want. And that's it, super easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.